Now, next we will take up the present continuous tense. Yes, the present continuous tense. Now, the first thing is present continuous tense is used for something happening at the time of speaking. Yes? What is happening? Something which is happening in the time of speaking. That is, that action has not stopped. It is continuing. When we want to talk about something that is happening at the time we are speaking, we use the present continuous tense. In order to emphasize the time of speaking, we often use adverbs and adverb phrases of present time, like at the moment, just now, just, as. Yes? And example of a present continuous tense sentence is, we are having a meeting. Yes, you can see we have written having. ing is there. Next, I am feeling very tense now. Again, feeling, continuous tense, ing. Next, to emphasize the present moment, here also we use a present continuous tense. That is, if you want to emphasize the present moment or to indicate that a situation is temporary, you use present continuous. As, I'll give you an example. I am working as a teacher. Yes, she is spending the summer in Shimla. Next, third point, planned future action. This tense is used to refer to activities planned for the future. As, we are going to have a debate next Saturday. Yes, this is the planning for future. Here too we use present continuous tense. Going. Yes. Next, to indicate progressive change. The present continuous is also used to indicate changes, trends, development and progress. As, my handwriting is improving. The situation is changing these days. The energy demand is increasing. You see. Next, number 5. To denote frequent action. Here too we use present continuous tense. This tense together with adverbs of frequency such as always, repeatedly, constantly, forever, etc. can be used to emphasize how often the action takes place. This is often done to express disapproval or annoyance. Example, you are always looking for faults. She is always talking to him on the telephone. Next, in habitual action. If you want to talk about a habitual action that takes place regularly, especially one which is new or temporary. Yes, not a permanent one, it's temporary. You use the present continuous. As, he is seeing a lot of films these days. Do you know if she's still playing golf these days? Yes? Note the difference in the meaning between the following two sentences. The first one, Anita always takes part in sports. The second one, Anita is always taking part in sports. Now, in sentence 1, the simple present implies that Anita regularly takes part in sports when required to do so. In sentence 2, the present continuous implies that Anita spends too much time, that is more than the time expected to be spent on sports. Yes? Hope you have understood this very clearly. Now, I will do 5 questions from your Total English book, the exercise on page number 10. Fill in the blanks using the simple present or the present continuous tense of the words given in the brackets. Now, the first question. India dash, in the bracket play is written, Australia in today's final. So, what will you write in the blank? Is playing. Yes? Next. I shall tell him the news as soon as I, C is written in the bracket, him. What will you fill in the blank? C. Third one. She dash knit now. She normally dash, knit is written in the bracket, in the afternoon. So what will you fill in the blank? She dash now. She is knitting. She is knitting now. She normally knits in the afternoon. Number 4. When water dash freeze is written in the bracket, it dash change is written in the bracket into ice. What will we write in the blank? When water freezes, it changes into ice. Number 5. Look, someone dash knock is written in the bracket at the door. What will you write in the blank? Look, someone is knocking. Look, someone is knocking at the door. Yes, this is present continuous. Now, your assignment for today is to complete the rest of the fill in the blanks on page number 10 of your Total English book. Students, please be optimistic. Online education has brought a positive impact in the lives of students and working professionals. It has given an opportunity to take up additional courses along with their studies or job as per their convenience. Yes, in fact, it has become easy for students to refer the content as per their leisure. Now, till the next module, be alert, be kind.